Hello friends, welcome to my channel Natural Beauty Secret. Today I am going to show you a turmeric and tomato face pack for skin lightening. This is a very easy and effective face pack and you can do it anytime you want. So let's start preparing. So my first ingredient is half a tomato. Next ingredient is 1 tablespoon of turmeric. So let's start preparing. Blend the tomato until you get a smooth paste. I have already blended the tomato over here. Into the tomato puree, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Now I am going to mix it well. Into your clean face, apply this tomato face pack. If you want, you can also apply this pack on your neck. After that, leave it on for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, wash it off with cool water. Use this pack for twice a week. Tomato is a go-to detanning ingredient which helps exfoliate and lighten your skin. It possesses mild bleaching properties which help restore your skin tone with regular use. Now pat dry your skin, and if you want, you can apply moisturizer to your face. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Natural Beauty Secrets to get more amazing natural beauty tips. Thank you. Bye bye.